Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session I am going to share with you how you can detect the face recognition. Okay, how to detect the faces from the images, okay, with the help of Raspberry Pi 4 camera module. Okay, so we are not going to use here the Cascade module for detecting the faces. We are going to use the CVLIB, which we have installed in our last video for detecting the object. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the script. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and just let's start. So friends, as I told you, we are not going to use the Cascade module for detecting the face. We are going to use here a CVLIB module. So this is what the repository. I will share the link with you. You simply need to go there and download the folder, and inside that we have the vidface.py script. For this project, first you need to install the CVLIB on your Raspberry Pi 4. So in last video we have installed the CVLIB, so you need to first watch the video and install the CVLIB on the Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so why CVLIB? Because friends, it is really easy to detect the faces. Okay, you need to, this is what the script, as you can see, import numpy as np, then import cv2, and this is what our module CVLIB as cv. Okay, so it will now start the capturing video capture. Okay, then read frame cap dot read, which we always do. This is the basic and common things which we always do for OpenCV for creating the video frame window on OpenCV. Okay, so this is all the normal things, and as you can see, the faces and conf cv dot detect face, and inside that I have import the frame. Okay, I have import the frame. That's it. This is the only one line which detect the faces. Okay, so if you print here faces, as you can see, I have already said here print faces. This only one line, you need to simply write the one line faces conf cv dot detect underscore face. This is what the module. Inside that we have inside basically the inside the CVLIB. So from CVLIB we are going to use the cv dot detect face, and you need to simply mention the frame. Okay, or suppose if you are if you want to detect with the images, simply you need to mention the image variable, because we already read the image, okay, with the help of IMRead. So you need to simply mention that particular variable. So right now we are going to use the Raspberry Pi 4 camera module live frame. So I have mentioned the frame variable. As you can see, the frame 1 is basically cv2 dot resize. So frame 1, and it will detect the faces. So if you print the faces, that's it, we will get the faces coordinates. So right now I'm going to we have here some images. Okay, so we are going to start the camera. Okay, save it, run the code. So friends, as you can see, counter is 5, and we have the 5 faces in this image. This is what the live camera frame. Okay, also as I told you, it's printed the faces. Okay, as you can see, we have basically here the 5 faces. So we have the 5 coordinates with the x, y, w and h. You can call any alphabets. Okay, this is not particular x, y, w, h. I have just call it randomly. Okay, so this is what the x coordinate, y, w and h. Okay, so simply you need to print here, or you need to type here this only one line, and inside that you need to mention the frame, and it will started detected to faces from the live images. Okay, so isn't it easy friends, with the help of CVLIB? Okay, so then after we detected the faces, now we have the coordinates, and we are going to use the coordinates using with the help of for loop. Okay, so for id face in enumerate faces, this is what the faces variable, and inside that we are going to use the 0 value, as you can see, this one is the 0, this one is the 1, this one is the 2, and this one is the 3. So we have 3 coordinates, so we are going to use one by one. For that I have mentioned the x, y is basically the face. So face, inside that first we are going to use the 0, then the first, then the second for the x1 and y1 for the third. So then after, friends, now we are going to use the coordinates value, the 0, 1, 2, 3 for creating the rectangle. Okay, and this 28 is basically the padding value. Okay, the padding value. Okay, and then with the help of this value, the x, y and x1 and y1, I have created the rectangle. Okay, and the color is the green. And then I need to basically, I just want to create the list. Okay, so for that, as you can see, I have created the list, then list dot append, and inside that I have mentioned the faces. Okay, and then a is equal to length of the list, and then we need to put the text. Okay, so this is what the normal script which we always do for creating the rectangle, creating the list, and creating the text on the image. Okay, so again now we are going to see another demo with the more images. Let's just start first the camera. Okay, so now I'm going to start again the camera. So friends, as you can see here in this image, we have the the two faces, and counter is says 2, and because of we print the faces, as you can see, we have the 2 lids, or we can call, we have 2 faces. So this is for the one face coordinates. Okay, one face, and this is for the another one. So we have 2 IDs with the coordinates. Okay, so if you go with like another image, so friends, as you can see in this image, we have a 7 faces, and counter says that 7, and here it is. As you can see, we have the 7 ID with the list. Okay, for each faces with the coordinates. Okay, so this is the way the CVLIV face detection module work. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.